9 things to do when you feel alone in a relationship. Feeling lonely in a relationship happens to a lot of people sometimes. Even though you're with someone, you might still feel like you're on your own. But it's important to know that feeling this way doesn't mean the relationship is over. Instead, it's a chance to make things better and feel closer. In this guide, we'll talk about 9 simple ways to deal with feeling lonely in a relationship. These tips can help you and your partner understand each other better and feel more connected. 1. Communicate openly. When you feel lonely in your relationship, it's important to talk to your partner about how you're feeling. Be honest and share your thoughts and emotions without hiding anything. By opening up, you can build a stronger bond and understanding with each other. 2. Spend quality time together. Make an effort to carve out time in your busy schedules to spend with each other. Whether it's going for a walk, cooking dinner together, or simply cuddling on the couch, investing quality time can help strengthen your bond and alleviate feelings of loneliness. 3. Engage in activities you enjoy. Rediscover the hobbies and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Pursuing your passions not only gives you a sense of purpose, but also helps you maintain your individuality within the relationship. It's important to nurture your own interests while being part of a couple. 4. Seek support from friends and family. Don't hesitate to lean on your support network when you're feeling alone. Reach out to friends and family members who care about you and are willing to listen. Sometimes, sharing your feelings with those outside the relationship can provide valuable insights and comfort. 5. Practice self-care. Take time to prioritize your own well-being, both mentally and physically. Take care of yourself by doing things like exercising, meditating, or treating yourself to a nice bath. When you look after yourself, you're more ready to deal with any problems that come up in your relationship. 6. Explore new experiences together. Spice up your relationship by exploring new adventures together. Whether it's traveling to a different place, learning a new dance style, or tasting exotic foods, trying new things as a couple can make your bond stronger and create unforgettable memories. 7. Rediscover intimacy. Intimacy goes beyond physical closeness. It's also about feeling connected to them emotionally. Spend time talking openly, doing small nice things, and showing you care. Doing these things helps bring you closer and make your bond stronger so you don't feel so alone. 8. Focus on gratitude. Nurture a sense of thankfulness in your relationship by showing gratitude to each other often. Take moments to recognize and thank your partner for the small gestures they make, like bringing you joy with a joke or being there to listen when you need it. Practicing gratitude builds closeness and positivity, making your bond stronger, even when facing difficulties. 9. Seek professional help if needed. If feelings of loneliness persist despite your efforts, consider seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor. Professional support can provide valuable insight and tools for navigating relationship challenges. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when needed. Taking proactive steps to improve your relationship is a sign of strength.